This is the follow-up to it. It said, can I file bankruptcy by myself? Absolutely. You can do it. Would I recommend it? Absolutely not. So there's a simple answer to a very difficult question. Why? Because when you need services, if you need an air conditioning service, if you don't know how to fix the air conditioning yourself, you're going to have to call somebody who's a professional. Now, you want to interview one or two professionals just to get somebody you trust and you like, because there's got to be a relationship there. There's got to be a trust. But you can't just go sit in a few free consultations and think you're going to navigate this process by yourself or by reading a few blogs. Blogs are great if you have an issue-specific topic. If you're thinking about taking on the whole bankruptcy world by yourself and think you're going to figure this out on your own, I say you're going to take a little while, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Just study the process, sit in court, watch what happens, because you're entering a different world, totally different terminology, totally different meanings, and one slip-up could cost you a bunch of money, a bunch of assets, a lot of stuff, which you may not have intended. And my mind always goes back to this one conversation I had where the bankruptcy trustee was telling a person, look, I think you need to hire an attorney. Otherwise, you're going to lose assets which you probably could have protected. The bankruptcy trustee was telling this person, go hire an attorney. And the person saying, well, I can't afford to. And she's like, you don't seem to understand. You can't afford not to. And I thought that was really admirable of the Chapter 7 trustee to do that and say, hey, you need to protect yourself, because otherwise the money you don't think you could afford is going to wind up costing you later, and you're going to make an even bigger mistake. In other words, that you made a mistake, don't compound the mistake by saying I can't afford to fix this, because it's going to cost you more in the long run. So it was kind of interesting.